Imagine this, you're lying on a beach, sipping a cocktail, and your bank account is growing, all while you do nothing. Sounds like a dream, right? That's what the so-called passive income gurus want you to believe. But what if I told you most of it is a lie? Today, we reveal the shocking truth about passive income, what they don't want you to know. Search passive income on Google, and you'll find millions of results promising effortless wealth. But what exactly is passive income? The idea is simple. Make money while you sleep. Whether it's dropshipping, YouTube automation, digital courses, or real estate, passive income means earning without actively working. It sounds amazing, but here's what no one tells you. Ever noticed how the loudest voices about passive income are the ones selling you courses on how to do it? Here's the harsh truth. They're not making money passively. They're making money off you. For every success story, there are thousands who fail. The so-called passive businesses require time, skills, and sometimes even upfront investment. And when these get-rich-quick schemes don't work, the gurus tell you, you just didn't try hard enough. Take Amazon FBA. Sounds simple, right? But what happens when suppliers send defective products? Or when Amazon suspends your account? YouTube automation? One copyright strike and your passive income is gone. Even rental properties require constant maintenance, dealing with bad tenants, and unexpected costs. The truth? There is no such thing as completely hands-off, risk-free money. So does passive income even exist? Yes, but only if you do it the right way.
I'm not recommending that people buy stocks today or tomorrow or next week or
Mr. Beast shares his best YouTube advice, all the way from title and thumbnail secrets to growing a channel on YouTube.
Real passive income takes time, work, and smart decisions. It's not about shortcuts. It's about building assets. Want to build real wealth? Stop looking for quick fixes. Start creating value. So now you know the truth. Will you still fall for the dream? Or will you take control and build your wealth? For more deep insights into business, finance, and tech, hit that subscribe button and join the capital creation movement.